Hey YouTubers, it's me again. I'm over here messing with my boat. I got some gel coat going on here. A lot of people, not a lot, but a few people have been asking how it's coming, and figured I'd make a video just to show it's a lot easier than taking a bunch of pictures and then trying to explain it. So right here I had some really deep gouges in the edge on the corner, and I previously repaired it, but the repair was no good, so I ground it all out and redid it. And then there was, up under here, there was a little spot that was gouged out. I sanded it flat, but I still got to do the underside. And sorry about the lighting, you won't be able to see much because of the lighting, but I'll try to do my best. So on the bottom here, on this first strake, I guess you want to call it a strake, I don't know what that's called. Anyway, so right there, all the way up to about, let's see, I'm trying to see, right up to about right there. And then there was a bunch of little spider cracks up in here that I patched. And then the next one down, no, the next one down didn't get any repairs. It's the last one down. That one there had cracks all the way from here, all the way up to like right there. That's where I stopped. There was still a couple of small little hairline cracks. I'm thinking I might just throw some 4200, some white 4200, so I can see where it's at and it'll be easy to remove when I go to do the final repair, when I pull the cap off and pull the floorboard and all the stringers and the bulkheads and all. I'm gonna have to redo everything, but anyway, I'm just trying to get it so I can go fishing. But yeah, so I was able to gel coat from there all the way back after I ground all that stuff out. And I still got to do some sanding, grinding and sanding, to get it to where it'll be at least smooth enough to run in the water without having to worry about the water. Like, so if you got a jagged edge and the water hits that jagged edge, water's got a lot of turbulence, and if you got a jagged edge, that water's going to want to try and peel that off or penetrate through. So if you at least get it shaped where it's at least smooth, not glass finished, but at least smooth, then you won't have as much problem with water trying to penetrate through the fresh gel coat. So that's the plan for now anyway. I'm just trying to get it to where I could get it on the water and have a little bit of fun before it's too late, because the summer is ending and it's going to start getting cold. Anyway, that's it. I figured I'd show you guys what's going on and give you an idea of this stuff that's going on here. Yeah, the sun just went down, so the lighting changed. It's a little easier to see. But yeah, so right about there is where I stopped, and it goes all the way. All those cracks had to go all the way back here. A lot of grinding and a lot of pain in the ass. It's a major pain in the ass. Anyway, that's it. Okay, guys, take it easy.